Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to set up call extensions in Google Ads. The first thing you need to do is access the Assets section. Now how do you do this? In your Google Ads account, click on the campaign icon, then click the Assets option from the drop-down menu in the section menu. Next, select Assets. Then click the plus icon to add a new asset. Then select Call from the list of choices. Then add call assets. This view will appear, and what you do is select Create New to make a new call asset. Then enter your phone number and then enable call reporting. This is recommended because it will allow you to track the performance of your call extension. Then you can also set scheduling. This is optional. You can schedule your call extension to show only during specific hours when your business is open. This is very important for you to have privacy. Next, you can use existing call assets if you already have one. How? Select Use Existing and choose the desired phone number from the list instead of adding a new one. Call extensions can also be applied to the account's campaign or ad group level. So just choose the appropriate level for your campaign structure. These are the considerations that are key. The phone number quality. So ensure the phone number you provide is accurate and functional. Also, it is advisable to enable call reporting to track the performance of your call extension and identify areas for improvement. Also, it is recommended to schedule your call extensions to appear only when your business is open to receive calls. Don't forget to experiment with different call extensions and analyze their performances to determine which ones are most effective. By following these steps, you can effectively set up call extensions in your Google Ads campaigns to improve click-through rates, drive more phone calls, and increase conversions. Please note that the information I provided is for general guidance only, and the exact steps and options may vary slightly depending on your Google Ads account settings and the current version of the Google Ads interface you're using. So always refer to the official Google Ads Help Center for the most up-to-date and accurate information. That's it for today. Hope you found this helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.